everyone, Kate here, and back for part 2 of my Edwardian Christmas recipe video series. And today we're going to be making a nut gravy. This recipe comes from the vegetarian cookbook Substitutes for Flesh Foods from 1904, and is for a rich tomato and nut-based sauce. It's definitely different than a quote-unquote real gravy, but I find it particularly tasty and have had compliments on it from both meat eaters and vegetarians alike. To make the gravy, begin by combining 2 cups of hot water, 4 tablespoons of a nut butter. I have experimented a bit and I find almond butter typically works best for this recipe. And 1 cup of strained tomatoes. I use canned crushed tomatoes, but if you prefer a smoother sauce, you can use a tomato puree instead. Bring it to a boil and salt to taste. The nut butter should fully incorporate into the sauce, giving it a rich, complex, nutty flavor. You can serve this over your mock turkey if you're going full-on Edwardian vegetarian with your meal, but I also find it excellent over vegetables such as eggplants or potatoes, or pretty much any dish where you would normally serve a gravy. Today, I'm going to use mine to dress up some cooked portobello mushroom caps. Now, the recipe as written comes out a bit thin, but if you do prefer a thicker gravy, you can also add in a tablespoon of cornstarch. Pre-mix it into a spoonful of cold water, then add to the gravy and boil until thickened. I typically only use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, but if that's not enough, you can repeat this process 1 tablespoon at a time until you have a consistency you're happy with. Well, that's it for today. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
This video is made possible through the generous support of my Patreon members. Thank you.